Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial of Master Git and GitHub course, and in this tutorial we will learn about what is Git, and we will look into the history of Git and how Linux kernel development plays a major role with Git development. Right? So before jumping to this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, what is Git? Git is a version controlling system, or you can say Git is a version controlling tool. Right? Git was developed for Linux kernel development. Right? Linus Torvald founded Linux and Git. So it is compulsory to know the history of Linux if you want to learn about Git. Right? So first of all, what is Linux? Linux is a family of open source operating system based on Linux kernel. Linux is a clone of Unix, and it is based on Linux kernel, right? And Linux kernel was first released on September 17, 1991. So before Git, Linux team was using Bitkeeper, BK, right? So I know now you will be thinking that then why they created Git? They was using Bitkeeper. So they created Git because Bitkeeper was paid version, but but here is the twist. Bitkeeper was paid, but Bitkeeper was free for Linux development, for uh, for whole Linux development team. It was free for all of them. So then again we will ask then why they created Git. So they created Git because someone in Linux team done some inappropriate thing with Bitkeeper, right? So that's why the founder of Bitkeeper uh, depreciated BK for Linux development team, right? So that's why the founder of Linux, Linus, right? He went on 2 weeks of vacation and then he came back with Git. Right? He was writing some code. He was like, actually, he created Git during that vacation period of time. He went on a vacation for 2 weeks, then he come back with Git. He said, I'm going on vacation. He said to the whole team, then he come back with Git. So that's how Git was created, and Git was first released in 2005, 2005, right? And it is now mostly uh, Git is used everywhere on GitHub, and it is also used for Linux kernel development, right? So here's a two website which you should look into. The first one is git.kernel.org. In that website, we have all the code base of Linux kernel, right? And we also have an archive version of Linux on GitHub. But you can contribute on the archive version, but you can contribute through git.linuxkernel.org. So let's see let's see First, let's see how git.kernel.org looks like. So this is the website git.kernel.org. It consists of all the code base of Linux kernel, including the code base of Git. Mostly the code base is in C programming language, right? So this is all the code base of Linux kernel. And this is the archive version on GitHub. You can't send the pull request. You can send pull request on GitHub. They will because this is the archive version, and they will be unable to accept your pull request. But you need to contribute on git.kernel.org if you want to become the contributor of Linux kernel. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Before jumping to next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.